but finding more, learning more, like, okay, what materials is it? Like, what are the process in building the shoe? And you'd be surprised, like for a simple shoe, actually it's very, very complicated how it has a lot of like process just to make it alone. And I think like after a while, I told him like, oh, would it be, like, would it be okay on your end as well? Like if I could, join in a few friends. And so we built our own factory. And
Oh,
and I partner up with some of my Chinese friends. And we've been doing that already since 2020. It was just like during the pandemic that we kind of like start like small orders from the beginning. And then after a while, like we have our own factory. So we kind of like catered for the local brands as well. And a few, since my husband's Brazilian, so we also have like clients from Brazil who's making shoes for us.